to art. This week we're going to do a nice spring picture. We're going on vacation next week on spring break. So I wanted us to leave in a nice frame of mind. I'm going to call this Three Birds. I remember doing a picture similar to this when I was younger. Just about your age when I was in elementary school. And I thought it would be cool if we did it together too. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to do three birds on top of each other. It'll be 1, 2, 3. And I'm going to have the sun over here. And if I have some room on the side, we're going to do some flowers. Okay? So balance out the picture. I'm going to do a sun over here. Not too big. Alright? Classic sun. Like that. Alrighty. And then I'm going to do, let me see. Maybe we'll do one bird right over here. Oop. Beak. And an eye. And I'm going to fit another bird right here. Beak. And then an eye. I'm going to do another bird right here. Eye. And then a beak. Put another eye inside the eye. I did that over here. Looks pretty good. I'll do the legs. Now remember the big word we're learning this year is overlapping, right? We're overlapping through images all the way down. There's the legs. All right. We have a room here for 2 tulips. See that? Excuse me. To balance out the picture. Alrighty. Oop, I want to do a little bit. I'm going to start the color. I'm going to go over here. I'm going to start the color in yellow. For the sun. Alrighty. More of that. Then I'm going to do green at the top. Bird. And I didn't have any particular bird in mind when I drew it. I saw some pictures of how other artists were drawing birds. I thought this was pretty cool. Pretty simple since we only have a half an hour together to do it. I'm going to give you time to color. I'm going to do the bright color right in the middle. Keep our eye in the middle. That's something else we've talked about, how to use bright colors in a picture. Since we have a bright color over there in the corner, I need to bring the eye somewhere into the middle. So we're going to use orange. Like that, like that. Now the bottom bird, let's do red. Let's do red. Let's see. My red is running out, but that's okay. We recycle. We'll keep going until we can't use it anymore. Dun, dun, dun. Some beak coloring. tulips and purple. Do a little green over here. Whoop, I went outside the lines. That's okay. Alright. Over here with the brown. Outside the line, so I gotta fix it. Alrighty. See, in art, anything can be fixed. Give that guy big legs. Dun dun dun. So I made a mistake over here. I gotta kind of fix it on this side. So like these legs are bigger. So it kind of balances out the picture. Alrighty. Now I got lots of white space over here, so I'm just going to go around quickly with blue. I don't have to fill in the whole thing with blue, but I just want to give the idea of the blue sky, right? I want to just have some fun with it. Go in and out. And then maybe I'll go in with a little yellow too. To show how sunny it is. I like the effect I'm getting by this. Yellow to show how sunny it is. Again, overlapping colors. It's a big word we're using this year. Alrighty, and I think I'm just about done, except I have to write my name, right? So I'm going to go over here. I'm going to write right in the picture, Mr. Admiral. Okay. Oh, let me add one more detail. I'm going to do the wings. Make it look more like a bird. Alright, and there's my spring picture. I had a lot of fun drawing this for you, and please have fun over the vacation. I will talk to you later. Bye-bye.